Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install YouTube on your Mac. So if you want to install YouTube on your Mac and also get it into the dock, what you have to do, first of all you have to go into the Google Chrome, and here you have to search for YouTube. Okay, just YouTube, search for it, and here you will see like this. Now you have to just small the windows and drag it to the desktop. Okay, now you will see that you have got it here. Now I am going to rename it. So to rename it, just right click and rename it like this. Okay, now second thing, I am going to change the icon, app icon, this. So now go to get info. Now again open Chrome. Okay, now here search for YouTube logo. Okay, now image, go to the image and you have to search for okay like this, and you have to search for a perfect one. Okay, so I'm going to search for this one. Okay, this one is look. Now you have to drag it here and to the YouTube. You will see YouTube here. You have to and you have to drag it to the YouTube. Okay, like this, and release. So like this you can do it, and go back, minimize it, and here you will see like this. Now if you want to get it into the dock, what you have to do, just drag it to the dock like this. So like this you can install and get YouTube on your MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.